wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Welcome back to my channel, dogs. It's Deandra Renee, and today we are here to do another crochet video. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. I have not done a crochet tutorial in I don't know how long, and today I am here to do some new hair for you guys. So I have not used this hair before. I don't know if you guys have heard of this hair before, but I saw the curl and thought it was beautiful, and I wanted to try something a little different as far as the color goes. So I did go a little bold with that, but I am so excited to try this out. So let's get straight into it. So if you've ever watched any of my crochet tutorials, then you already know what type of braid pattern that I normally go with, but this time I did do something a little bit different. Now, if you are not familiar with any of my crochet videos, I will make sure to link them down below in the description and hopefully up above somewhere, but make sure you check those out, you guys. I have very different techniques. It just kind of depends on the hair or how I'm feeling, but make sure you guys check out the different techniques that I do provide. That way you can decide which one you want to use and which one works for you. Today I decided to try something a little bit different. I did straight back braids in the front, and I connected all of them with a braid going across, because I typically do 3 Y braids to allow you to have a part that seems realistic. So a normal part, when you part your hair, doesn't continue going, it kind of stops at a certain point. So that's why you did the Y braids, but to create Y braids everywhere throughout all of the braids, I decided to just bring a braid across. So of course I'm going to show this to you guys, because this may be a little bit confusing since I'm just talking about it. But for the back, I did decide to do a beehive, and that's basically just a circle. That's just kind of what I call it. I don't know if that's the technical term, but that's just kind of what I reference it as. So I did just kind of continue going into a circle until I braided my hair all the way out, and then I sewed it so there wouldn't be any braids hanging or dangling, getting in the way of my crochet. So I'm going to show my braid pattern to you guys first, starting off. So here is the front. Okay, you guys, so what you will need to install this hair is a crochet needle, and you will need your choice of hair. So if you guys need any of these products, I will list them down below in the description box. But the hair that I am using today is called Quick Curl On, the Cassie Curl in 20 inches, and the color is T1B Burg. So here is the hair. So T1B Burg means that it's dark on the roots. It's 1B at the roots, and then it's burgundy at the ends. And I did purchase 4 boxes of this hair. I got it from divatrust.com. I will leave the link down below. So let's get started.
Never had a girl quite like me, me. 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 Never had a girl quite like me.
Okay, you guys, this is the first pack. So I'm going to install my next pack, and I'll be back to show you. So this is after my second pack. So I'm going to install my third pack, and I'll be back to show you. So I have finished installing my third pack. So I'm gonna install my last pack and I'll be back to show you guys. So I have finished installing my hair. So really pretty curl, you guys. I'm gonna show you the entire install. Okay, so now I'm going to separate the curls to make it a little bit more fluffy. It's a little too uniform for me. I like a little messiness, so I'm going to separate some of the curls until I get the desired look that I want. They are so bouncy, so beautiful, so vibrant. Like, the color is absolutely beautiful, the curl is absolutely beautiful. So I'm just gonna show you guys. This is the middle part. I am currently rocking the middle parts, but I can change it, of course. Now I did not do invisible crochets with this look because it is curly hair and I really didn't feel the need to. You can't really see the knots that much, and I don't know, I didn't feel like I needed to do the invisible crochets for it to still look good, so I didn't do that this time, but I still feel it really turned out really well. So I didn't really cut on the hair or layer it or anything like that. This is kind of just how it felt. Once I picked it out, this is how it looked. I did trim it just a little bit, like right above my eyes, so you know, strands wouldn't dangle in front of my eyes or anything like that. But other than that, I did not cut on this hair. I might have cut like some frizz out of here, but that was it. Really light, you guys. It does not feel heavy at all. I will say I did use all 4 packs, so I would definitely say you do need 4 packs. 4 or 5 possibly. If you don't want to separate the hair as much, you would need 5 packs, but if you like the amount of hair that I have, then 4 is good. So as I was closing up the front, I did have to take a few strands from the back and put it in the front because I put way too much hair in the back and didn't have quite enough hair to finish closing up the front. So I did have to take a few strands, not that many, maybe like 5 or so, 5 to 10 at the most, and fill that in. So of course you do have that as an option, just in case you start running out of hair when you're finishing the front. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the hair from every angle. Okay, you guys, so this is the middle part. Now let me show you a few other parts so I can change it from a middle part to a side part. Now let's say I just want to change that. I could do that, you know, I don't have to really have the actual part, but if I do want to have the actual part, I can just pull all of that hair over. And there's the side part. Super easy, super cute. Like, this is so cute, you guys. So yes, here is my finished look, you guys. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know which one you think is your favorite. Let me know if you guys would rock this style. If you guys try this style, make sure you let me know. Make sure you are following me on Instagram if you are not. And make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you guys check out some of my other videos. I do have makeup tutorials, so make sure you check some of those out. I would greatly appreciate that. If you're looking for more crochet options, I do have many videos, so I will link those down below in the description. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.